Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Recepts Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very delicious and tasty appetizer recipe. I'm going to make creamy chicken shish kebab. And how do I make it? That I'm going to share with you. I have a 3-pound chicken. It's a boneless, skinless breast. It's a white meat. The other ingredients, our shish kebab will be creamy and I'm going to use cream cheese. Salt to taste, granulated garlic powder, degi mirt, granulated onion powder, ginger powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. It's 1 teaspoon each. 2 teaspoons cilantro, dhania. And let's get started. Get a mixing bowl and we'll bring cream cheese. I'll bring all the dry ingredients into mixing bowl. With the help of spatula, just mix all the spices. Make sure that we mix it nicely with our cream cheese. The cream cheese should be at the room temperature. As you see, it's nicely mixed. It's too tight, just put it in a microwave for 10 to 20 seconds. And this is perfect. Now we're going to cut the chicken. The chicken pieces, about this good size. Like 1 inch. This is the perfect size. Place it into our cream cheese masala. So I'm going to keep cutting the pieces the same way. I finished cutting up all the chicken breasts and now it's important when we're going to mix with the cream cheese, very important that your hand should be really clean. So we're going to make sure that we massage it really well. As you can see, all the pieces are nicely coated with the cream cheese and with the masala. I'm going to do marination for 2 hours. After putting plastic wrap, I'm going to put it in the fridge for a couple hours. The chicken is marinated for 2 hours. I just took it out of the plate. We're going to mix it one more time. This is really delicious, Reshmi, creamy shish kebab. I have the metal skewers ready. I'm going to get 1 piece and we're going to poke through, just like this. And we're going to keep adding like that. Oh, looking so good. So this is all ready. I'm going to make them in air fryer. Place it just like this. Chicken pieces, we're going to poke through, just like this. And I will do the same thing with the rest. This is how they look. And when they're going to come out the air fryer, they're going to be tasty and delicious. And I'm going to cook them for 20 minutes. We're going to keep the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the temperature to 20 minutes. Now it's going to start. After 10 minutes, we're going to open it and we're going to turn the skewers all sideways. Then we're going to cook another 10 minutes and it will be done to our perfection. And it will be oilless, oil-free shish kebab, Reshmi kebab or creamy kebab. It's exactly 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take it out. Wow, look at this. How delicious looking. Now I'm going to turn them over. It's a good idea. Put the gloves and then turn them over. They are hot. It's hard to reach with the gloves, so I'm just going to use napkin. And look at that. Perfect kebab. And I'm going to turn them over just like this. So they will get the crunchy on the other side as well. So this is really how you make Reshmi kebab or shish kebab or creamy kebab in air fryer, which is oil free. And now I'm going to place it back again, the air fryer. And it's going to start where we left off, 10 more minutes. We have a second batch ready. 1 more minute to go, we're almost done. Now we're going to wait for the final beat. Here is the final beat. I have my serving tray ready and I'm going to take it out. Wow, look at this. So delicious, tasty. And I'm going to place it in my serving tray. And this is oil-free, oil-less cooking. The second batch is full. And within 20 minutes, we have our kebabs ready. This will go for 20 minutes. It's already started. And now let me share with you our delicious shish kebab. Our quick and easy, oil-free, oil-less Reshmi kebab, creamy kebab are ready, and they are the best appetizer and you can eat as a side dish. Please try it and you're going to like it. It's very healthy and very nutritious. If you like this dish, like always, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.